We highly recommend getting you a dash cam or rear view camera. See that, y'all? You can switch it. What's up, guys? It's your boy CeeLo from Smoking Metal Car Fun, back at y'all with another video. Today's video is kind of it's messed up, but at the same time, it's a good thing because it makes people be aware of the things that they have and what they should do. I had a friend, KG Go Hard. Y'all can go check out his YouTube channel. He was on the highway and he was recording, doing his YouTube video as normal. And after he stopped recording on the highway, doing his video, a truck tractor trailer tire blew. And when it blew, it bounced off the truck and hit his front windshield, shattered glass in his car, and messed up his car at the same time. Now, with that being said, it is, I say, mandatory that everyone with a car should have a dash cam or something, because you never know what could happen at any given time. Any given moment, somebody could hit you and they try blaming it on you. But if you have a camera, you can actually say, I got it on video, the whole thing. Somebody hit me, they hit me, instead of them saying I hit them. So I've always had this. I've never, I did a video on it, but never really did a whole complete video. Now my rear view camera, my rear view mirror is a dash cam reverse camera as well, so you guys know. So therefore I went on and made sure I put my SD card in it. Now I use it all the time now, since I seen his video just the other day, where he's going through changes, trying to figure out who's going to repair the damages on his car, because he didn't have the full footage of the accident and he wasn't there to catch it. He didn't get to catch the whole thing happening. So now I use mine all day now. I have it on the front camera where it's recording the people in front. So I got my rear view dash cam working, and I can actually hit the reverse, the back.
It's already on reverse.
Oh, I have it on the back.
I put it on the back.
I want it on the front. There go the front view right there. So I can just touch it. As y'all can see, it's real clear. The sun is starting to set, and it's still good and clear underneath of this bridge. So just as a precaution to everyone, I recommend you get a dash cam, rear view mirror, and if you guys looking for one, I got this one from Dollar General last year for the Magnum and the Escalade, and totally forgot that I have a rear view dash cam. I have so many gadgets and things like that, I be forgetting what I have and I buy something else. So it all hooked back up. So I recommend everyone out there, please go get you a dash cam if you don't have one already, because it definitely would be a good thing to have. Don't set yourself up for a failure, y'all. I don't want to be set up for a failure. And I'm quite sure my friend KG Go Hard, now he'll probably put one in his car so that way he always got footage. Plus, it's a good thing for those who do YouTube as well. You know, upload your SD card to your computer and edit your video. And there you go, you got footage that you've been getting all day. You never know, like we always say, you never know what's gonna happen when you're out and about. So with that being said, get y'all a dash cam if you need to. If you can't, go get you the rear view. Go get you the regular dash cam. I just so happened I was fortunate enough to get the rear view dash cam. It does all kinds of stuff, y'all. Let's go home. As y'all can see, it has GPS. It has navigation, north, south, east, west, Bluetooth, radio, apps, Play Store, and you can upload your own music. As y'all can see, let's tap on there, open up the map.
It's not gonna work.
I know, but oh, shit.
That's right.
Well, I can't tap and drive, y'all, so therefore I want y'all to know that you can do that. Those are things you can do. So, yeah, it's a good thing. Rear view dash cam and reverse camera all at the same time. Then hit the button and right back to, you got dual, and I can just put it on just the backup camera, or I can just put it on the front, or I can do both. I usually do both. So that way I can just tap it and switch it back and forth, whichever one I want to do. If I'm backing up, I can just go ahead and tap it, and you got the backing up. You know, like I'm watching everything that I'm passing behind me. Which, we're gonna not hold y'all up on this video, y'all, so hope y'all having a blessed day. Be safe out there. Go get y'all a dash cam. It's your boy CeeLo from Smoking Metal Car Fun. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, smash the notification bell so y'all get all upcoming content that I put out. Greatly appreciate each and every one of you who watch the video, even if you're not subscribed. And definitely